Hey there, it's Deb Cleveland, and I just want to talk to you a minute about the release of my new book that's coming out. It's about you building your queendom, one property at a time, you building your empire. So we're going to be doing fixing and flipping for fun and fortunes, where I want you to just do one. Like if you're sitting there, and I know who you are, you're spending time watching the fixing and flipping programs, and you can see the houses behind me. I own all these houses. This is my queendom. And you're spending time, you're looking through the MLS and Zillow and Trulio and and then you're driving through neighborhoods and you're looking at the for sale signs, and you know all the signs. You're looking for houses that are vacant and there's garbage on the front porch. You've actually made appointments and you've gone into some of these properties, but what's happening is something's stopping you from moving forward. Like, what is that? I've been investing in properties and renovating and flipping for 28 years, and I can tell you what stopped me was overwhelm. Like, I'm not going to have answers for some of the questions that might come up. I can't do the work, and I thought that was going to stop me from realizing my dreams, and I learned that it didn't. The first flip that I did was when my son was 3 years old, and he's 35 now, but I remember it well. I had no money. I borrowed money from a friend for the down payment. I hired my dad, who worked with me part-time, to peel wallpaper off and paint and rip up carpeting. And I lived in that house. I lived in the first 6 flips that I did. And that house, when I flipped it, I made $9,000. Like, that's 28 years ago. It felt like $1 million to me. And I just kept moving it forward. I didn't have a ton of support. I surely didn't have any money. I had just left a really bad marriage, and I was brokenhearted. I was a mess. But I knew that I wanted to. I read enough about the business where I knew I wanted to do it. So now I've built my own empire, and I want that for you. So if you're interested, my book's coming out soon, and I'm looking for just 3 women where I can beta test my program. And I'm offering the program at 75% off, and it's so ridiculously inexpensive that you're gonna go, oh my God, I get to work beside Deb Cleveland for 12 weeks, and this is an apprenticeship program. And when you're done, you will know everything you need to do to move forward and get going and realize your dream, make a difference, make money. So if you're interested, IM me, and we'll set up a time, and I'll give you a call, and I'll talk to you about the course. So thanks a lot for your time. Build your queendom, build your empire, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.